As urban areas continue to face a surge in vehicle ownership and limited parking spaces, mastering the art of parking has never been more crucial. Whether it's navigating crowded city streets or squeezing into that elusive spot at the grocery store, having a few parking tips and tricks up your sleeve can save time, reduce stress, and even prevent costly fines. Experts suggest arriving early as one of the most effective strategies to secure prime parking spots. Early birds not only avoid peak traffic but also have their pick from a wider array of spaces, reducing the risk of circling blocks multiple times. Additionally, leveraging technology can make finding a spot much easier. Various smartphone apps are available that provide real-time information on available parking in specific areas, including prices and restrictions. For those who frequently find themselves parallel parking, a notoriously tricky maneuver, experts recommend practicing key techniques such as aligning your car's rear bumper with that of the parked car ahead before reversing into the space at a 45-degree angle. Moreover, understanding local parking regulations is essential to avoid fines or towing. Many cities enforce strict time limits and require residential permits for certain zones during specified hours. Always read posted signs carefully to ensure compliance with restrictions, which might include street cleaning schedules or seasonal changes impacting availability. By combining these practical tips with mindful driving habits, motorists can navigate even the busiest urban landscapes with confidence and ease.